Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where, for some reason, your Snapchat account or your Snapchat application is missing out on tons of different, features and different things like that. And I don't know what this is, so I'm going to go and click accept. Perfect. Okay. Essentially, what this means is that maybe there's a new feature within Snapchat. Maybe it's like you can turn everything like to a different color or whatever the feature is, and you see a lot of other people using it, but for some reason you don't have that feature yet. And this can go for any features out there that come out now or in the future. And the main reason this happens, there's two main reasons why this is the case. The very first thing I would highly recommend you guys to do is to make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection or to a strong internet connection. So if I go ahead and make my over to my settings, you can see right here under Wi-Fi, I'm connected to Wi-Fi. If you have a SIM card installed on your phone, you want to make sure you're connected to a good strong cell connection. And once those things are set up, all you have to do is go ahead and pretty much make sure that your Snapchat app is also sending and receiving data. So you want to go into your Snapchat app, try to load up some stories, try to go other things. If you're able to load all these things up and you don't have a single internet connection problem, then you're pretty much good to go. That will mean half of your things will go right. And all you have to do is go ahead and kind of search around and look for that specific feature and see if it's there. If it's there, then you're pretty much set. If it's not there, the next thing I would recommend doing, and this is really the only other thing you can do, is to make your way over to your app store. So go into the Google Play Store or your app store like this, and you want to search up Snapchat. So you want to find your Snapchat application and you want to click on it like this, whether you're on Android or iOS or whatever other operating system, it doesn't matter. And you want to go ahead and click update. When you do that, all the features and everything that Snapchat has pretty much pushed out that maybe other people have, you will now get them by clicking on that update button right there. So what does that mean? Well, essentially you click update, you'll wait a couple seconds for the application to update, and all you have to do then is go back straight into that application by clicking on whatever app it is, like Snapchat for this example, and you want to open it up and you want to search for those specific features. If those features are now there, then you're set, you're good to go. And most of the time, this will probably fix it. The only other issue is if, for some reason Snapchat still isn't up to date and or there's no features added that you want, then this probably means that the Snapchat application that you're using may be completely outdated. Maybe you have a really old phone and it's not getting the latest version of Snapchat. Also, maybe the Snapchat features that are out, I know dark mode is like this too, it's probably not out to you yet. Maybe it's not out for your region. So all you have to do is wait until those features come out. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.